Hey everyone, welcome back to Jabberjaw. Today I'm doing another one in the series of BoxyCharm unboxing, reviews, try on. Today we are going to be looking at the November Base Box. This box is $25 a month, comes with 5 items. This month's theme is Harvest. Ooh, fall vibes. And so the first item in the box that we're gonna jump into, I am not going to try on. So that's why we're gonna get it out of the way. It is Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. The reason why I'm not going to try this on is because I have multiple serums and I don't like serums. Yeah, I'm just not gonna, I don't want to waste it. So I'm going to be gifting this to a friend because I could literally fill a tub of serum and sit in it, have my entire body serumed, and I would still have more serum left. Unless the serum is pure gold or made with infant blood, I'm good. I don't need more serums. But the next item that I will try because I can't resist a mask, and this is the Yenza Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. I am going to pop this on. Give me just a second and see what happens. Let's see if my skin is glowing and beautiful at the end of this. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like pumpkin spice. I was worried it was gonna be like really spicy or I don't know. I don't know what I thought. This is good and it's like an exfoliating scrub. So it feels really good. It smells amazing. I really like the smell of it. It smells like pumpkin spice. I feel like I'm bathing in Starbucks right now and I'm not mad. So I'm gonna go rinse this off now. Okay, my skin feels really smooth and no bad reactions. So I really liked it. The smell was so good. I really just want to leave it on my face forever. Next up is a product that I didn't know was a thing, but I think I need it. It is the Jecca Blac Liquid Corrector 2.0. This is a under eye corrector. Let's hope it works. It's supposed to like make your dark circles under your eyes less visible. Oh, okay. It's like this like peachy color stuff. Hi guys. I think I was a little heavy-handed. This stuff has no scent. It feels very moisturizing, which is good. I don't know, you guys be the judge. Do I look more awake? Yeah, that's interesting. I feel like I would need to use this product a few times to really have a full verdict on it and like see how it like layers with actual makeup and stuff. Next up, we have an item I'm super excited for. Every box period, you get to choose an item, and the item I chose is the Gimme Brow. I have never used this product and I have heard such good things about this. This is like a cult classic. Benefit is known for their brow products, so I'm extremely excited. I got mine in the shade number 4. I don't know if that's the right shade. I'm gonna pop this on and we'll see how I look with brows. Okay guys, I don't know, what do you think? Are they amazing or what? The Gimme Brow product, I think it does kind of live up a bit to the hype, and it's so cute. And the wand is this little teeny tiny wand and it's very precious. This isn't how I like my brows. I like pencil. I feel like my brows aren't the same height and you can't really fix that with a brow gel, but for a quick sprucing up, it's great, and I will definitely use this. I'll probably start actually using this before work because I'm very lazy and do not like wearing makeup to work. Okay, the last item. Now this item has been, I've heard non-stop hype about this. The Natasha Denona Peak Palette that was made exclusively for BoxyCharm. I say that in quotations because all the shades in this palette were pulled from other palettes, which I mean is good because that means that the quality is probably going to be comparable to those palettes since it's something already made and it's not brand new shades. It is stuff you can find in her other palettes, which are very expensive. They're pricing this palette at $50 or $49. So I'm very excited because I normally cannot afford this brand and I've wanted to try it for a really long time. I will say I am disappointed with the packaging a little bit. It came in like a brown plain box, which it's not about the packaging, it's about the performance. Yes, I know this. The sticker on the back for the information is crooked. So like they didn't even put the sticker on properly, but the actual case itself, it's like very like the magnetic portion is pretty sturdy, so like it's not going to come open in your bag, which is good. I just think that, you know, little touches, come on guys, we can put a sticker on straight, right? But that's not what matters. Again, it's the product, so give me a second. I'm going to try it out and I'll let you know what I think. Okay, I take back all my shit talking about the packaging. I get the hype. I get it. Natasha Denona products are awesome. I really love this formula. I didn't put any primer or anything on because I wanted to see how the eyeshadow wears with nothing. So look at this. It all just like blends so well together. If it doesn't look great, That's because I am not a makeup artist, but the formula is so buttery and everything just blends together. And I used every single shade in the palette and it created this like really, I think it's a really cute look. I think it's a good vibe. I like it. Okay, final thoughts. This box was a solid hit for me. The palette, the Natasha Denona palette, plus the Gimme Brow, those alone are worth the $25. Each of those are like $25. Plus the pumpkin spice scrub, like those 3 items I like and I would pay money for. The serum, I mean, again, I'm gonna give it to someone else because bathtub full of serum lady here. And the under the eye cream thing, it's an interesting product. I don't really know if it worked. I'll use it again. I'm gonna try it a few more times. I'm gonna try it with makeup and see if I really notice any difference. I couldn't really tell. I mean, I don't know. How do I look? Do I? No, I feel like my bags are still there. Maybe they're less there. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks. You're my friends. We're friends. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I do these all the time because I have no life. You are my life. You are my friends. Ciao, ciao. Come here, come here. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. One like equals 1 pet of this cat. So for her sake, please like, comment, and subscribe. 1 like is 1 meow. All right, thank you. Bye.